Here I have OPPO A12 and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. Firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the additional settings and then to backup and reset. Here you have to enable feature backup my data and then tap on backup account to add Google account. You will of course need the internet connection to add a Google account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Let's try one more time. Tap next. Next you have to enter your password. Tap next. And next you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing you have to tap agree one more time, accept here, and your device will be ready to be backupped. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.